everyone, thank you for watching. Today we're opening up the September Goddess Provisions box. So this is like a cool spiritual subscription. I don't get any other boxes like it and I love opening it every single month. I will link them down below. It is $33 a month with free shipping. You get 5 to 7 items. They're all revolved around a theme, and with every box purchase they plant a tree. I think that is amazing. Can't wait to see what's inside this month and what the theme is. But before we get to the unboxing, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I pretty much open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love them too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We have a giveaway going on. I think there's only like a week or two left. So if you guys have not yet entered, I will link that at the end of this one. It's a 10K giveaway. A big thank you to you guys for all your love and support. You guys are amazing. So yeah, check it out if you haven't yet. But let's get this box open. Oh, I should also mention that everything in this box is cruelty-free and vegan. Here is a sneak peek. Usually there's a card in the bottom. Let's get that out. So on the cards, they have all the product information. They always have a new artist featured. So isn't that very pretty? Oh, I love it. It's like a rainbow. So the artist this month is Chelsea Sky, and she's on Instagram at Lunar Lilt. And she's on Instagram at Lunar Lilt or lunarlilt.com. Very pretty. So the theme for September is color therapy. Love that. So here it lists all the products and pricing, and then they have their monthly mantra. So obviously it's every month they have a new mantra. Let's read that. I receive healing vibrations from the full spectrum of light and feel gratitude for this colorful life. Oh, I love that. And again, pretty artwork, right? So let's get started. First thing on top, it feels like they're glasses. And on here, the bag holding it, it says it's by God's provisions, and I see through the lens of gratitude and love. I like that. I believe gratitude is so amazing and powerful, and I need reminders to practice it though, even though I know the powers of it. So that is a good reminder just right there. So these are violet sunglasses. They have a retail value of $22. Trying to get them out here. I love violet. And these are great. Oops, sorry, I know it's reflective because of the ring light. Put them on. Oh my god, when you put them on, everything does look violet. Wow. Let's see if I can read this with them on. Rock these purple shades to see the world through rose-colored glasses. God, why can't I speak? And experience the magic of color therapy. Violet light is known to help calm your mind and body and enhance your connection to higher consciousness. Awesome. How do I look? Next, it says color for good. According to color therapy, colors have the power to raise your vibe. This color emits vibrations of intuition. Ooh, I love that pink color. And on the back it says, each bracelet empowers the women who made it by creating job opportunities to help them rise above poverty. Thank you for supporting our mission. Change the world one bracelet at a time. Cool, colors for good? I don't think I've heard of them. So let's put it on. So you could have gotten this in a variety of colors. And I love the one I got. I'm such a girly girl. I always love everything pink. This bracelet has a value of $8. This cutie emits such good vibes. Along with this color magic, the making of your bracelet empowered and employed a woman from Yucatan, Mexico. Tune into the message of the color and vibration the universe picked for you. Ooh, a Plantable seed pencil. Plantable, it says Rainbow Encouragement. This is by Goddess Provisions. So very colorful packaging. And oh my god, cool. So on the tip it's green, so I thought it was gonna be a green colored pencil, but if you look, I don't know if you can tell, maybe if I hold it still enough, it's like rainbow. So fun. It says for the most colorful results, write on white paper with a sharpened pencil on a firm surface. When your pencil becomes too short, you plant the compostable tip 1/4 an inch into wet soil with the pencil on an angle. Water regularly and let your plant baby be a reminder of positivity and encouragement. Also, it'll be mint seeds. It says 10 mint seeds right here. That's so cool. I can't wait to use this. I wish I had a pencil sharpener in here. It's downstairs. This is a $5 value. Oh, and it's Encourage Mint pencil. Get it? I'm so excited to use that. So cute. Now let's talk about this. Species by the Thousands Crystal Oracle Deck. Is this what I think it is? Here. So are these kind of like tarot cards? Is that the same thing? It says this 54 card deck contains the powers of intention, crystal energy, and color therapy. Intuitively draw a card to discover which tools will keep you feeling balanced and empowered each day. This is a $25 value. And a lot of these items have coupon codes, like this one included. So if anyone's interested, just let me know if you want to support the companies. So I want to draw one. So right on top there's a card that tells you how to use this, which we kind of already went over. But draw a card to see what crystal energy you are being called into, or to see what crystal energy is required to help with a situation or relationship. So it's definitely not tarot cards now that I'm thinking more about it. But let's try it. So I'm just gonna pick one. And it says Optical Calcite Clearing. Well, I'm gonna leave this out and look into it. Clearing. I think I can see where that would fit in for me. So cool. I love this box. I get to learn so much. Like, a lot of this is so new to me. Have you guys used these before? So next item is in this bag here. Goddess Provisions Crystal Prism Sun Catcher. Oh, so pretty. So there's like a little suction cup for you to hang it somewhere. And this is what it looks like. And it says, open your third eye with a rainbow of light. Hang in a sunny window to transform light beams into rainbows. It's made with glass crystal, rose quartz, purple amethyst, blue lapis lazuli, green aventurine, yellow agate, orange agate, and red chalcedony. Sorry, I'm probably saying a lot of these wrong, but isn't this so pretty? That looks so cool in the sun. I'm excited to try this out. $22 value. It says, notice how your vibe shifts as color streams into your world. Repurpose the organic cotton pouch as a crystal carrier. I love that they give ideas for repurposing. I always try and do that with stuff like this, or everything I get actually. So the next item is in this black bag. It's not labeled. Oh, it's a ring. Oh my god, is this a mood ring? I'm way too excited. Mood ring color chart. So yes, this is a mood ring by Hiochi Jewels. It's made with silver plated brass. Moods may vary. Please note your own feelings and how they correspond to color changes. So let me show it to you before I put it on. Emmy! So this is a $33 value. Where this modern silver plated mood ring is a statement piece to affirm that all emotions are sacred. Keep track of how you're feeling so you can express your truth in clarity and confidence. Truth with clarity and confidence. So it looks like it is adjustable. It says adjust once and do not overbend. How do I adjust it? Maybe I'll just put it on my pinky for now. Oh, it is changing. Oh, UPS is outside. So I'm looking at this color chart here next to my color. It definitely changed when I put it on. And I think it best matches up with sensual and loving. So fun. Like way better quality than the ones I had as a child. Ooh, next, this looks like something super fun and colorful. Is it like rainbow? Oh, are they earrings? What is this? Oh, it's a keychain. Jessica Swift Gratitude Keychain. This is so cute. This is what it looks like. And it says, for me, rainbows are a symbol of gratitude. This limited edition keychain is intended to be a reminder of all there is to be grateful for and is an offering from my heart to yours. And then there is a quote here that says, if the only prayer we ever say in our lives is thank you, that will be enough. Meister Eckhart. And this pink rainbow is an exclusive collaboration between Jessica Swift and Goddess Provisions. The shades of pink, they speak to the heart of chakra and spark joy, playfulness, love, and gratitude. I love this. This is seriously so pretty. This has a retail value of $13. I love the colors, and it matches my new bracelet. And my like mood ring kind of goes with that too. And we have one thing left. Well, I guess two, but one physical thing left. Oh, this is so pretty. I love all the colors of everything. I love this box. So this is purple agate, or is it agate? I don't know. Someone correct me. I know I mispronounce things. $4 value. Hold this purple stone when you sit down to meditate. The combination of purple and agate energy will help to activate your upper chakras for divine insight and spiritual development. This is seriously so pretty. I love it. You guys, this is such a good box. I love everything. But the one thing I was talking about, so every month they have like a digital bonus, and it correlates with the theme of the box, and it is very informative. Wow, and this one has a $33 value, and the digital bonus is Healing with Color mini course. Discover how different frequencies affect your mood and learn 8 ways you can incorporate color into your daily life to raise your vibration. I love that. I'm totally gonna do this. So fun. So yeah, you guys, another great box by Goddess Provisions. This may be like my favorite one I've received. This is so great. I'm trying to think what my favorite item is. I love the sun catcher. I think that's super pretty. Bracelet. I'm excited to like look through this oracle deck and like use that and figure out how to like, you know, improve my life. And I feel like everything in here makes me feel positive and grateful, and I love that. So yeah, you guys, I believe you have until September 17th to order this box. So hopefully I'm giving you guys enough time to check this out. Again, the link is down below. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you to my channel members. If you want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below. And if you can't become a member, no big deal. I know times are tough. Just being here and watching is so supportive, and I appreciate you. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.